good to go. Pretty warm out today. Feels nice. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, got to reset my odometer. Alrighty guys, let's go. We are going to go on this little dirt trail I saw on Google Maps. I have no idea, what it actually is. But we will find out. So let's go! Woo! The other thing I forgot to tell you guys was I'm still looking for a pair of mirrors. Like, I really want to find a new set of mirrors. And I've also been looking at a couple other bikes. Like supermotos and stuff. Not really anything serious, but just kind of looking if I were to ever get another supermoto, what I would get. Or really another bike for that matter. And I was looking at the KTM 450E XC R. It's basically like the dirt model of it. But it got some pretty rad reviews on there. They're pretty good. Just the only thing was I was looking and from all the models up until 2012 for that particular motorcycle were all carbureted, and I really wanted to get the fuel injected one for the 2012 model. So that was kind of a question out to you guys, if you guys have any knowledge of that, to just what you think that bike will be and how it'll perform. And if you guys have it, shoot me a message or shoot me a comment. That'd be pretty cool. But anyways, today we're going to be showing just how the WR250X, how it performs on and off road. I'm not a super experienced rider. I'd probably put myself beginner to intermediate. I had a sport bike before this, as you guys know. It was a Triumph Daytona 675. It was not the R model. If I get enough likes and stuff, I'll throw up some photos, maybe even a video of it. But yeah, that's what we will be doing today. And I do have, not slicks, but I guess you can call them road tires or X tires, whatever you want to call them. I'll try to get a look at them right here. Basically, I'm just saying they're not knobbies, more or less, but they function pretty good for off-road, I've noticed. I don't do anything that hardcore where I really would, absolutely need knobbies, but, they for sure wouldn't hurt, when I do go off-road and whatnot. Because there was one time I got into like a dried up riverbed, and it was super sandy, and needless to say my tires were spinning, and then I had to go up through the riverbed as I'm kind of like walking the bike through it and pushing it along, and my tires were just spinning. I had to go up this little dirt embankment, and I had to like run and push with the bike because my tires would just spin out. So a pair of dirt tires definitely would be nice. I would like to slap them on, but I don't know. I've never changed tires on a motorcycle before. Before this, in high school, I was a bicycle mechanic at a bike shop I worked at in high school a couple years back. And I guess it would be the same. The rear sprocket would go ahead and stay with the rear rim, I'm guessing. So I wonder if you could have like 13 in the front and then like a 46 in the back for street, and then just swap it out the knobbies, and then you got like a 13 like 49 or 51 or something. I mean, I think that's how it goes, but don't quote me on it. Like I said, I don't have that much mechanical experience with these things. Like I got my new 46 sprocket in the mail. And then my 13 is at home right now at my parents' house, so I'll go pick that up probably in the next couple days, maybe even tomorrow, I don't know. And I'll try to make a video for you guys how to do a sprocket change. I don't know how to do it myself, so I'm going to be having one of my friend's dads. He's just like super mechanically inclined. He fixes like airplanes, and he's just like hardcore enduro motorcycle boy. So you know, if he lets me, I'll try to, you know, shoot some video of that. I'll even practice some editing down for you guys. So far, all my videos have been raw, but still just trying to get used to it. Right now I'm using a Windows 8 split 2 laptop for that. I have a MacBook I bought that I don't know how to get iMovie on there. Supposedly it comes with it, but when I bought it, it didn't have it. So maybe I'll play around with that, because I know Mac's a little bit better for video editing and stuff, a little bit more user-friendly. That guy's, that's a chick, she's smoking, that's really gross. In case you guys didn't know, I really do not like people that smoke cigarettes, especially in the car. Like, if you smoke pot, like, I don't, like, dislike it as much as cigarettes, but I still don't like it if you smoke it around me, you know? I don't like the smoke portion. The pot part I'm not against. The part I'm against is just the actual smoke itself. I don't care, you know, you can do whatever you want to do, but if it affects my health, then I start to care. That's just kind of my whole theory on it. And this person is just going to kill me right here, and I'm going to get it all on video of this woman running me over in her little car. Little Volkswagen. They killed 4 old me. That's okay. But anyways, guys, behind on this road over here in Oceanside, I was looking on Google Maps. Jeez, people, you just slam on your brakes. But there was something I saw on Google Maps. I saw some like dirt trails and stuff like that. So I pretty much have no idea where we're going. We're just gonna go ahead and just head back there and, you know, see if we can really find anything, you know. And we're gonna slowly make our way over to Carlsbad, which is to the south. It's usually, I think, like 10 or 15 miles or something like that with the road. So we're gonna go ahead and try it off-road. Nope, no luck. All right, let's try again. All right, let's bring it up. A little bit. I think I still need, because I'm letting the clutch out and I'm bringing the revs up as I do it. I watched a couple videos the other night, and all of them were showing me that you have to go ahead and pull the clutch all the way in and then bring the revs up while you're still holding it, and then dump it, and then it'll pick it right up. So I'll go ahead and practice that, and if I 12 o'clock it, at least I got some video of it, right guys? Alright, so we're going to head back in here. I see a fence, but that's the thing I really like about the WR is that, you know, there's a fence or a sign that says like road closed, and that just means like, hey, if you're on a supermoto, head this way. So it looks like it's all fenced off. Even a lock around this one. That's too bad. Damn, I wanted to go back here. There's even like a little trail and stuff. I don't see a way we can get through it, so I guess we're gonna have to turn around. That's a bummer. Well, anyways, guys, we'll keep on looking. I know there's some other spots up here. Maybe I might be able to sneak in this back little lot. No, nothing behind the corporate giant of Walmart. Good old massive corporation feeding us genetically modified food and lead paint children's toys. But yeah, another thing about me you guys don't know is I'm not the biggest fan of corporations. I mean, I always think you're going to need them to some extent, but I just try to shop small with everything, and I like go to the farmer's market and, you know, try to get away from these massive companies just because some of the crazy and weird stuff they do. There goes a Yamaha R6. Pretty cool looking. I've sat on that bike and I think I rode it once or twice now, and it's got a really weird stance. Like, you're all the way forward and it's really far out. Like, your wrists are really twisted on that R6 over there. And that was something I kind of noticed riding that one. And everything on it just felt like plasticky. Like in the front heads-up display, it felt kind of cheap to me. It didn't feel as solid as my Triumph did. I don't know. It's still a rad bike though, don't get me wrong, it's fun, but just not for my taste, you know. That's why there's so many different kind of bikes, it's because, you know, so many different people like to ride. Lady didn't even see me. Alright, so we got an hour to kill, actually 50 minutes now. We got 50 minutes to kill either Carlsbad. It usually takes me like 15. Woo! This car is stinking like a go-kart right in front of us. Just reeks. No smog inspection on this puppy right here. BMW M3. Pouring out that good old carcinogenic materials and such. It's probably a pretty dang fun car, but it stinks. It smells like gas and smog and cancer. Almost got killed right there. I probably should have stopped for him there, but it didn't have the crosswalk thing, but it was going to. I probably should have stopped. Oh well, at least they're okay. So then, welcome to Carlsbad, everybody. Maybe there's something back in here. Let's go back this way, maybe. I know I've been back here before. There's like a school, and then there's like some other dirt stuff back in here. I know. We'll go and we'll check it out. But I think it's like a national, not national, I think it's just like a nature reserve or something like that. So I don't know if we're specifically allowed to be riding on it. But we will check it out. And we will go. Alright, come on, you Chevrolet Venture. In your big old mobile. Look at all the kids. There's a big old mountain way back there. I know you guys can't see it because of just the nature of the GoPro and the fisheye lens, but we will head back there. I was kind of thinking about the grip camera. I know Chase on 2 wheels, he's got that one, and his video doesn't look as fisheye. Oh, there's a big mountain over there. There's a rock quarry, but I was kind of thinking about that, and also microphone setup. I haven't done any research on, you know, microphones or how that should all be set up. Is this the way? I don't know if it is. We'll find out. On a through street. Probably the way I want to go. Yeah, this isn't it. This is going to take us in a big circle. But let's check out what's right in front of these mailboxes. It looks like there's a path to the back, or oh no, it's just like a little roundabout dealy. Oh well. We'll turn around and try not to get killed by this truck. I kind of juked it right there and dumped it a little close to the ground. I saw him and I got nervous. Well, let's see if it's over this way. Is that an entrance over there, or is that just somebody's house? I think that might be an entrance. Let's see, is it, guys? Is it an entrance or is it not? Can we get through? Nope, it's gated off. I think we might be able to get through the gate, but there's like old people sitting right here. Yeah, it's all locked off. It's like a little nature reserve thing, but I don't know. We'll go check it out. Too bad those old people are there. We'll just go around them. The old farts. The old smelly farts. Just kidding. Not really. And the doggy. There's another doggy right there. I hear white labs are supposed to be like the most just loving animals. They're just always happy and just great companion dogs. I kind of wanted to get a dog earlier. I was looking at this one Australian cattle dog mixed with something else. I didn't know what he was, but he was really cool, and his name was Dundee. He's like Crocodile Dundee, the cattle dog from Australia. And I always thought he was just like the coolest thing. I saw him on this website and I was like, oh, he's so adorable. So, I don't know. Is there anybody back here, guys? Are we even allowed to be back here? I kind of feel like we're not. What is this thing right here? I see like a little trail. But I think there's like park rangers and stuff back in here. I've taken this once before. And it's a gnarly little venture. I don't know if we want to go this way where there's all these cops and park rangers and such, you know? I'm not the biggest fan of getting into trouble and all that. I can totally fit under that too. Yeah, let's see what's over here. This looks like something too. No trespassing. Let's see what this is. What is all? Oh, big old dog turd. Big old dog poo-poo. That's really gross, guys. What is all this up here? Looks like a little riding path or something. Where does this take us? We're just venturing out. Hey, cool, look, I can get in through here. Yeah, guys, let's take this way. This really looks pretty cool. Pretty. That's cool. Big old rock quarry up there. I wonder if there's any rock climbing up that way. Very interesting. Just out for a ride? I've done it once before. It goes into this valley and it heads up over here, and there's some exits along the top of these houses. And then there's also another one if you just kind of follow all the way down, but I'm not sure exactly what path. I'm actually going to find out right now. I don't know. Like suspension front and back. Okay. Yeah, I know. Alright, see ya. Alright, see if we can turn around maybe. I'm kind of stuck in a bad spot right here. I wanted to go that way that lady went. Now we're trying out these street slick tires. And here's a beautiful view of, it looks like a dam or something like that. So that's the big old Carlsbad rock quarry right up there. It's a gnarly hill that heads up there I tried to take once, and that did not fare very well. But anyways, let's go take that path that lady took. Let's go check that out. Yeah, I really like some knobbies right about now. That'd be pretty nice. Running these street slicks, they're not slicks, but they feel like it for sure out here. I can feel the front kind of give out sometimes and all that good stuff. Holy Jeebus. Okay, good. We don't have to go down that gnarly ditch right here. I thought we had to go down that thing. I think we do get down on our motorcycle. Maybe we can take the other way. Let's see, maybe we can take that other weird looking path thing we saw earlier. Ugh, I really wish a motorcycle would have like a rear backup thing, you know? Just so that I don't have to pedal backwards. I don't think that's probably possible. You know, it's just to assist when you're on like a hill and you need to back up. There's an idea right there, guys. Go get it and go make it for me. And give me half the profits from your company because I told you about it. I bet you somebody's probably tried it. It'd kind of be nice though. Alright, let's get down here. It's kind of wet. A little bumpy too. Like I said, guys, I'm not the best rider. I just like to go out there and explore and have fun. I'm not like hardcore into flying fast or anything. I just like going out and riding my motorcycle. Yep, it doesn't go nowhere. There's a piece of trash, the old glass bottle of some sorts.
I know if we just trespass, I know we can get there, so maybe we just should trespass and get over with it. Alrighty, we made it. We made it up. Let's grab that front brake. Yeah. Alright, well at least now we know where that goes. And there's a big piece of dog poop. Dog poo poo ka-choo poo. And all of its grossness. Maybe we can head up that way. Those trails look like fun. I wonder if these will take me down. I know this one over here where I've taken this.